Meet the James Webb Telescope, the most powerful telescope ever. Space exploration has taken another huge leap, and it is now even better. With the addition of one of the most powerful telescopes ever, the collection of telescopes floating around space is wide, and the discoveries are just as amazing. The predecessor of the recently launched James Webb Telescope, the Hubble telescope, has been discovering faraway galaxies and planets for years now, and it's still discovering more. In spite of that, what makes the James Webb Telescope the most powerful telescope ever built? But before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Future Collective, for more amazing videos just like this one. With that out of the way, let's get to it. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is an infrared space observatory that was launched on Christmas Day 2021. It took off from ESA's launch site in Kourou in French Guiana aboard an Arianespace Ariane 5 rocket. This telescope, which cost about $10 billion, is NASA's largest and most powerful space science telescope. It will move around the cosmos to uncover the history of the universe from the Big Bang to alien planet formation and beyond. At the moment, it's among NASA's great observatories, huge space instruments that include the likes of the Hubble Space Telescope to peer deep into the cosmos. The Webb telescope has a deeper infrared vision which ranges from 0.6 microns to 28.5 microns. This will give it the ability to cut through the dust and gas of the massive clouds where the stars and planetary systems form. If you were to compare it with its predecessor, the Hubble telescope, the Webb telescope will go further than Hubble's infrared view. Because of this sheer ability, scientists will be able to further study the distant exoplanet atmospheres and even find some building blocks of life elsewhere in the universe. The James Webb Telescope has a primary mirror that is 21.3 feet wide, which is the largest mirror on a telescope in space. Compared to the Hubble telescope, it has 6 times more light collecting area. Since the universe is expanding, light from distant objects will be stretched as it travels towards Earth. Because of this, the bright ultraviolet or blue light from distant objects appears redder by the time it gets to Earth. With the wide mirror of the James Webb Telescope, it will gather more of this dim light, giving views of objects that are up to 100 times fainter than any telescope can see. Each of the Webb's telescopes, 18 hexagonal mirror segments, including the secondary mirror, has a series of tiny mechanical motor assemblies, which are called actuators. They move each mirror segment in 3-dimensional space, bringing them into proper alignment with each other. Each primary mirror segment also has an additional actuator that is dedicated to charging its curvature. This means that the 18 segments can all share the same precise focal length. For it to be more effective when it comes to capturing the longer, fainter infrared wavelengths of light, Webb needs to be super cold. Since infrared is basically the heat that we feel from the sun, capturing the remnant of this heat from objects that are billions of miles away means that the telescope has to be about 364 degrees Fahrenheit. With the power that the James Webb Telescope has, it will be able to peel back the layers of time and probably find out how our universe began. In fact, the James Webb Telescope recently revealed thousands of galaxies in stunning detail within a short time span. Well, that's a subject for a whole new video, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Future Collective, and hit that bell icon for more future-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.